Hello everyone, this is Jokay once again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, andito nga kami sa summer house na naman. And pangatlo na to sa summer houses na napuntahan namin ngayong summer 2024. Kasi yung isang summer house talaga is unexpected yon dahil invited lang kami guys, which is yung boardroom nga. At napakita ko na sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung boardroom. This summer house is ito yung usual or regular na napupuntahan namin or pinupuntahan namin kapag summer. There's nothing special about this place na maipapakita ko pa sa inyo guys.
No, how special to see it.
Yeah, I know. I mean, there's nothing special because I'm always like sharing the view of this summer houses or the beaches that we have here in Kukent. So ayan, nagre-react po yung aking alaga. Very special daw to. Of course, special to para sa akin guys dahil dito talaga ako natutong lumangoy. At ayun, maganda yung environment din dito. At the same time, yung mga tao na nandito is kilala na ako at kilala ko na rin sila. So very warming yung pagtanggap nila sa akin as a foreigner din naman dito dahil nga syempre bihira naman sa kanila yung may mga nani na foreigners. Kung meron man, hindi siya Filipina. Most of them are yung kalapit lugar lang nila. Kalapit bansa lang like Turkmenistan, mga ganon. So, ayun guys, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung aming naging medyo matagal-tagal pa kaming mag-i-stay dito. Kaya naman, isi-share ko sa inyo yung bawat magandang moment at magandang places na napuntahan namin within that period of time na mag-i-stay kami dito. Kaya naman guys, thank you for watching. It's all about Jokay in Turkey. And please keep on watching. So ito nga guys yung kanilang building. Meron silang tinayo na parang restaurant pero hindi naging successful guys dahil nga karamihan naman dito is merong summer houses. So why they need to like go here in the restaurants for a lunch or for anything kung malapit lang naman yung kanilang bahay. So ito yung kanilang nagsiserve as recreation area. Meron din namang toilet sa mga gustong gumamit. Ayan yung for the boys and this is for the girls. Ayan yung kanilang functional rooms. Wait baby ko. Ayan, ito sana yung restaurants. Ginamit na lang nila as functional rooms. And meron din naman mga ginawa rin nilang ito. Pwede kang mag table tennis. Ayan. At sa baba naman, ngayon ko lang din nalaman na meron palang, ito palang mga rooms na nandito sa baba is pinaparent pala nila sa mga kamag-anak ng mga homeowners na walang, kasi maliliit lang naman talaga guys yung mga summer houses. So for those homeowners na maraming mga bisita, so nagre-rent nila sila. Nire-rent nila yung mga rooms. So yan yung mga rooms, available rooms na nandito. Ayan. Ayan nga po siya. At ito yung isang way na dinadaanan namin papuntang dagat. Hindi kami masyado dito dumadaan kasi masyadong matarik. Although, okay naman siyang daanan kasi stairs naman siya. Pero hindi ako sanay dito. Parang long way para sa akin. Pero yung mga alaga ko at yung aking amo, gusto nila ditong dumaan. Ayan. Careful baby ko. Super nice guys. Super nice ng lugar. Super refreshing. Super greeny. Ayan, sobrang sarap dito sa summer house. Kaya lang, yun na nga, nakababad kami palagi sa dagat. And you know what guys, kung sa atin, takot tayong magbabad sa dagat kapag 2 p.m. onwards. Pero sila, grabe guys, yun yung pinaka peak time na gusto nilang pumunta sa dagat. Dahil nga, minsan yung temperature ng dagat is medyo malamig. Kaya yun talaga yung gusto nilang oras ng pagpunta ng dagat. Which is, hindi natin gustong mga Filipino kasi takot nga tayong mangitim. Pero, dahil nga taon-taon, nandito naman kami sa summer house, nasanay na lang din ako. Kailangan ko na lang talagang enjoy yung summer season dahil 3 months lang naman ang summer season and the rest of the year is malamig. Kaya, yun. Kailangan mo na lang talaga guys i-enjoy or else talo ka talaga. So guys, ito nga yung tinatawag nilang eskele. So, dyan pwedeng mag-diving, pwedeng mag-jumping. Ayan, kasi yan yung part na medyo malalim.
Already I can jump from there.
Nakasulat doon yung temperature ng dagat which is 23. So, hindi masyadong malamig para sa amin. Gusto namin yung ganyang temperature kasi hindi masyadong malamig. Ayan. And now guys, we're trying to visit another city or another compound na katabi lang din ng compound namin. So actually guys, hindi to resort, kundi summer houses. Pero parang kung sa Pilipinas, para siyang subdivision, first subdivision. So may mga katabing subdivision. Try namin pumunta or bisitahin yung katabi naming subdivision para naman makita namin kung anong meron or gaano rin ba kaganda yung kanilang city or subdivision. So, eto na nga guys, papunta na kami sa ibang city. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, another eskele, itong ramp na yan yung tinatawag nilang eskele. Diyan, pumupunta yung mga tao para mag-diving at para pumunta dun sa floaters na yon. Ayan guys, yung blue na yan. Yan po yung floaters. So, for you to go there, para mabilis, kailangan mo gumamit ng eskele. So, ayan guys, papunta tayo doon. And look at the water guys, how clear, just like crystal clear water talaga guys. Tignan nyo naman yan, kung gaano siya kalinis. Super nice.
Photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So magsiswim po kami ni Ada dahil inip na siya, gusto niya na mag-swim. So ito yung pinili naming place kasi pag medyo tanghali na, mainit na, so nandito kami under the shed. So ayan po. At this point of time guys, sumakyat nga kami ng eskele dahil nag-request ang aking alaga na videohan ko daw siya dahil gusto niyang ipakita sa ating lahat na marunong na siyang lumangoy. Yes guys, pangatlong summer houses na nga itong napuntahan namin at pinag-iistihan namin sa ngayon. Pero dito lang siya natutong lumangoy. And I'm so proud of her guys dahil matagal niya na talagang pangarap na matutong lumangoy nang walang any floaters or any yung ginagamit para mag-float. At sa wakas guys, confident siya and she's also proud of herself na na-meet niya naman yung goal niya for this year na makapag-swim without any floaters. Ayan guys. And katulad ng sinabi niya, very special tong lugar sa aming dalawa dahil dito kami parehong natutong lumangoy. And look who's coming! Yay!
Again, but it's the same day. I'm gonna after swim. No, in the video I told.
So that is our swimming lesson for today with Ada. She knows how to swim already without any macaroni or any noodles. So, she's so happy guys that she knows how to swim. What can you say, Ada?
I'm so happy I can swim.
Bye! At ito na nga guys, hindi ko kayang awatin ng aking alaga na mag-take over sa aking vlog for today. Kaya naman guys, pagbigyan natin ng aking alaga na mag-vlog for me for today. So thank you so much guys for watching and please stay tuned for the part 2 of this vlog. Thank you for
And she
watching!
said, don't stop because I haven't,
Hello, bye.
yeah, I haven't said bye. But
But
now,
we are sitting under the tree.
we are sitting here under the tree. Yeah.
Check is our service. While waiting
For the
for this check.
check.
Check is our service.
Yeah, that is service of
But
this
I
city.
tell you in downstairs.
And
the
Ada, for now, while waiting for the check, Ada will show you around how beautiful
view is.
the view and where we are right now. So I will give the camera to Ada for her to show you the surroundings of this city. Again, if
This,
you want, you can.
this is the sea
Wait,
again.
wait.
And
You-
I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you.